Kalabasi. Hello.
Mami.
Teka muna.
Di ba may tumatawag ng kuya?
Buti.
Pero laki.
Kung patuga. Naka-record ba?
Oo nga, yan eh. Ano po ka? Hindi ako marunong. Hindi pa naman natin. Ay, paano mag-zoom dito? Ay, sorry. Ang galing ang lapit.
Ano lang, games lang, tapos yung mga
Ay! Palimutan. Pera niyo. Ay! About kaya lagi. Siyempre sa tawa. Tawa.
Wala lang.
Oy, wag ka magtago dyan ha. Nakikita kita.
Wag mo nang takit. Alam mo na.
Sa likod ako. Nakaharap ako.
Kuha mo kami, Charmaine, tapos na?
Ako na.
Sake for our faith. We should learn how to fortify it that we may be able to distinguish the miracles amidst. You will never become the person you are right now, and you would not learn the lesson of life that you'll cherish forever. In everything we do and in every experience we've met, be it happy or sad, we must not forget to offer them all to God. As we continue to live our lives amidst all these surprising natural disaster experiences, let us remain focused and active with our faith, thus feel that we are nurtured by love, crowned with faith, and united.
May His Spirit of comfort be with you all.
And also with you.
Brothers and sisters, this Holy Eucharist. In memory of his death and resurrection, we offer you, Father, his life-giving bread, his saving cup.
Gamutin, parang ang dami nyo na lahat dyan ah. Parang lahat na nandyan kayo ah. O yung iba, mag-games muna tayo. O, balik muna kayo sa place nyo. Yung mga mami na lang muna dito, mga mami. O, balik na yung supot mamaya ah. O, sige, tabi muna kayo, tabi. Tabi.